Like, is that government mandated, or that's just like the customary practice by companies? Let me know, Abe. I'm curious. So I don't think there's anything shocking here in the benefits. I'm curious though if this is where the benefits were offered or the benefits that they took, right? Because for example, in the US, not everybody decides to accept dental insurance, right? Most dental insurance in the US really isn't that great. So is it that they were only offered it 80%, 88% of the time, or that they only took it 88% of the time? Because neither one would surprise me, right? Neither one of those results would surprise me. I could see how there's people who just decline dental insurance because it's really not very valuable here in the US. Okay, but let's move on because I don't think there's really anything too exciting there. Okay, so coming back to Abe, as per company norms, most of the cases. Okay, thanks, Abe. So it sounds like some of the companies in India might be a little bit... Excuse me, everybody, had a sneeze there. It sounds like some of the companies in India are a little bit more generous. Abhinav adds, yes, there is no government mandate. Okay. So no government mandate for that, but it sounds like companies just do it, give a little bit more raise as a custom. Abe says the taxes are increased recently in India, so even if there's an increment, there's no change in our salary. Yes, taxes. Taxes is definitely something that gets left out of the equation a lot. So I don't know what you guys think about these quartiles that we talked about, 101 to 150, 151 to 200K. I would assume that most of the respondents for this survey are based in New York.